42, factoring again. You know, and if you don't know how to factor, you can always take your answers and FOIL them out. So if we do that, we take this answer and FOIL it out. It's going to be x minus 4 and x minus 4. And we're going to multiply x with both terms. X times x is x squared. X times negative 4, negative 4x. Then we're going to take negative 4 and multiply that with both terms. So negative 4x plus 16. And then from here, it's going to be x squared minus 8x plus 16 because the 4x's combined to get 8x. And now, you know, that's obviously not the same thing, so A is not going to be your answer. And I think you're going to run into the same problem with C. You're going to end up with 3 terms, and that just isn't going to be your answer. But let's check B. If I take x times x, that's going to be x squared. If I take x times negative 4, that's negative 4x. Then take 4 times x, so plus 4x. And then take 4 times negative 4, that's negative 16. What do you notice about these middle terms? You got a negative 4x and a positive 4x, and they're going to cancel out. Now you're left with x squared minus 16, which is what you have. So B is going to be the factored form. But now let's talk about how to factor this. This is actually called factoring a difference between squares. A perfect square is like, 4, 9, 16, 25. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. Those are all perfect squares. Also, x times x is x squared. So if you see 2 of those and you're subtracting them, you can factor them. And what they're going to factor into is 2 sets of parentheses with different signs. And then what you're going to put in here is the square root of x squared, which is x, goes there. And the square root of 16 is 4. It goes there. So now that's factored.